Marching on the aisle are the bearers on the flower girls of our second princess, LJ D. Lamsen, Jake Ryan S. Cases, Jude Kian S. Cases, Zoe Leslie L. Pascual, and together with her flower girls, Florabel T. Donia and Princess Sarah A. Oralio. Once again, be with me as we welcome our second princess, Marian Pearl D. Evangelista. Our second princess 2024 is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Elmar Evangelista. She is 7 years of age. Her birthday is on May 28, 2017. She is incoming grade 2 at the Carawian Elementary School. Her ambition in life is to become a successful policewoman someday. She believes in a saying that keep moving forward, not backward, under the sponsorship of Barangay Kagawad, Joey Marinay. Ladies and gentlemen, Her Royal Highness, our second Princess 2024, Baby Marian Pearl D. Evangelista, together with her escort. Let's give her a round of applause. Once again, our second princess is no other than Baby Marian Pearl D. Evangelista, together with her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Elmar Evangelista.